Good morning, students, and welcome to the grammar class. In this lesson today, we will learn the use of the active voice and the passive voice as it is used in American English. In English, we can say a sentence using the active voice, where the emphasis is on the subject doing the action, or we can use a passive voice sentence where the emphasis is on the object receiving the action. Let's begin. Active voice. The following sentence that you will see next describe situations where the subject does an action and the object receives that action. Look at these examples. Christopher Columbus discovered America. Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa. William Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet. These sentences are all written in active voice. The emphasis of these sentences is on the subject who does the action. In the first sentence, Christopher Columbus is the subject. In the second sentence, that's correct, Leonardo da Vinci is the subject. And who's the subject in the third sentence? You are right, William Shakespeare. Active voice sentences have the following grammatical structure. There is a subject, there is a verb, and there is an object receiving the action. Now, let's look at the passive voice. The following sentences are written in passive voice. America was discovered by Christopher Columbus, which is the very same idea as in the active voice. But in this case, America, the object, is first. And then the verb was discovered, and then the subject who did the action, Christopher Columbus. The Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. In this sentence, the Mona Lisa is the object who received the action. What action was painted? By who? By Leonardo da Vinci. So Leonardo is the subject. And the third example, Romeo and Juliet, is a book. It's an object that was written by who? By William Shakespeare. So William Shakespeare is the subject who did the action. In passive voice sentences, the grammatical structure is always like this. There is an object who receives the action, then was, and we write the verb in participle form. We add the form by, and in the end, we use the subject who did the action. The emphasis of the sentence is on the object who received the action.